Hi, this is Jimlan. So we will talk about the importance of baking. Before we talk about that, click that like button and subscribe. So, what is the importance of baking? We say, the importance of baking food like bread, pastry, and cakes and other things is it gives us energy like carbohydrates, fats, and many more. So, it is an alternative source of energy. So, if there's no other food you can eat, bread, pastry, cakes, and any more. And it is sweet, you know. Sweets are craved by people like you and me. So it boosts our primal instinct to get sweet. You might say that, Jimlan, breads are not sweets. They are just plain. No, no. Breads are also sweets because it has an ingredient called gluten. No, sugar. Sugar is sweet. The second thing, why bread baking food is important to our society, it because money. I use this money to buy those buko bread. So, you help the economy if you buy bread, pastry, cakes, and other more. Because you're exchanging the food with money. Means there is trade, no? So, if you buy food like bread and pastry, you're helping the Philippines. So, if you give the baker money, he or she is willing to make more bread, pastry, cakes. Yummy. Then, everyone will be happy. Did you know that bread and pastry can relieve stress? You guessed it right. Bread and pastry relieves stress. According to my source, I will link it down below that they experience great happiness. So, bread and pastry can help you financially. Yes, tama yan. You can sell other people with that food, then they will be happy, you will be happy, everyone will be happy. Now, we will interview some people. Sir, what is the importance of bread and pastry in society?
Anong, para sa ating mga cake at mga celebration. Yan lang po. Salamat.
Sir, what is the importance of bread and pastry to society?
It is important because it has a health benefits, and when you eat bread and pastry foods, your stomach will be full. I thank you.
So, that's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe to Jimlan. Wait for other videos.